If you watch this video till the end, you will understand 85% of German basics. Most people who are starting out to learn German, they fail their German A1, Goethe and telc exams. Why? Because they learn German in the wrong order. In the next 20 minutes, we will fix that. We will start with German alphabets and end with German verbs, and overall you will master all the basics in this video. So the first thing we have to learn are German alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In German, there are 4 special letters. 3 of them are called umlauts, and the last one is then SZ. So let's go to that. A, Ö, U, SZ. Yeah? A, O, U, SZ. Yeah? Then we have to learn greetings and politeness related phrases. Yeah? Hello, hallo. Hi, hi. Good morning, guten Morgen. Good afternoon, guten Tag. Good evening, guten Abend. Good night, gute Nacht. Goodbye, auf Wiedersehen. Bye, tschüss. See you later, bis später. See you tomorrow, bis morgen. Welcome, willkommen. Thank you, danke. Thank you very much, vielen Dank. You are welcome, gern geschehen. Please, bitte. Sorry, Entschuldigung. Excuse me, Entschuldigung. No problem, kein Problem. And now some of the basic answer related phrases in German are yes, ja, no, nein, maybe, vielleicht, of course, natürlich, I don't understand, ich verstehe nicht, I understand, ich verstehe, I don't know, ich weiß nicht. Now the basic questions in German are: what is your name? Wie heißen Sie? Where are you from? Woher kommen Sie? How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? How old are you? Wie alt sind Sie? What time is it? Wie spät ist es? How much does it cost? Wie viel kostet das? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie Englisch? Can you repeat that? Können Sie das wiederholen? Can you speak slowly? Können Sie langsam sprechen? Do you have? Haben Sie? Now personal information in German. For instance, my name is Khan. Ich heiße Khan. I am from Germany. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I am 37 years old. Ich bin 37 Jahre alt. I speak a little English. Ich spreche ein bisschen Englisch. Nice to meet you. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Then feelings and conditions in German are also important when you are starting out to learn German, okay? For instance, I am fine. Mir geht es gut. I am tired. Ich bin müde. I am sick. Ich bin krank. I am hungry. Ich habe Hunger. I am thirsty. Ich habe Durst. I am cold. Mir ist kalt. I am hot. Mir ist heiß. I'm lost. Ich habe mich verlaufen. Now, shopping and restaurant related phrases are also very important when you are starting out to learn German. So, I would like, ich möchte, I want, ich will, I need, ich brauche, I'm looking for, ich suche, that is too expensive, das ist zu teuer, cheaper, billiger, water, das Wasser, coffee, der Kaffee, bread, das Brot, milk, die Milch, beer, das Bier. Now, directions related phrases are super important. Yeah, when you are coming, for instance, from India, from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Africa, America, and you are totally new to Germany, okay, and you are asking on train station or airport someone about a toilet or train station or a hotel, initially direction related phrases you need. So, where is the toilet? Wo ist die Toilette? Where is the train station? Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the hotel? Wo ist das Hotel? Where is the bus stop? Wo ist die Bushaltestelle? Left, links, right, rechts, straight ahead, geradeaus, near, in der Nähe, far, weit. Emergency, anything can happen to you. Yeah, you need to know the basic phrases. So help, Hilfe, call the police, rufen Sie die Polizei. I need a doctor. Ich brauche einen Arzt. Okay, ich brauche einen Arzt. Yeah. Now time related words. Today, heute, tomorrow, morgen, yesterday, gestern, now, jetzt, later, später, always, immer, never, nie. Okay? Then days of the week you need to know also in German. Monday, der Montag. Tuesday, der Dienstag. Wednesday, der Mittwoch. Thursday, der Donnerstag. Friday, der Freitag. Saturday, der Samstag. Sunday, der Sonntag. So numbers are also very important when you are starting out to learn German. So we need to know it at least till 10. From 0 to 10, you need to know when you're starting out to learn German, okay? So 0 will be null, 1 will be eins, 2 will be zwei, yeah, zwei, yeah. 3 will be drei, 4 will be vier, 5 will be fünf, 6 will be sechs, 7 will be sieben, 8 will be acht, 9 will be neun, 10 will be zehn. Yeah? Family related phrases you need to also know. Yeah? So mother will be die Mutter, father will be der Vater, brother will be der Bruder, sister will be die Schwester, friend will be der Freund, die Freundin, if it's a female. Yeah? Husband will be der Ehemann, wife will be die Ehefrau, child will be das Kind. Yeah? And now essential verbs that you need to know at A1 that are an absolute must, okay, with ish form. So first they are in infinitive form, meaning unmodified, the original form of a verb, and then with ish, yeah, the personal pronoun ish, okay. So sein, which means to be, ich bin, I am. Haben, which means to have, ich habe, I have. Gehen, which means to go, ich gehe, I go. Kommen, which means to come, ich komme, I come. Machen, which means to do, to make, ich mache, I make. Essen, which means to eat, ich esse, I eat. Trinken, which means to drink, ich trinke, I drink. Sprechen, which means to speak, ich spreche, I speak. Arbeiten, which means to work, ich arbeite, I work. Wohnen, which means to live, ich wohne, I live. Können, which means to can. Ich kann, I can. Müssen, which means to must. Ich muss, I must. Wollen, which means to want. Ich will, I want. Verstehen, which means to understand. Ich verstehe, I understand. Yeah? And now we will go through the conjugation of the important words, okay, at A1 level. The important ones, how do you conjugate them with personal pronouns, okay? So we have the verb sein here, yeah? With ich, which means I, ich bin, okay? With du, which means you, du bist. With er, sie, es, which means he, she, it, yeah? Er, sie, es, he, she, it is ist. With wir, which means we, it is sind, wir sind. With ihr, which means you, plural, okay? So you are you and your friend, are your wife, are your husband, okay? So this is ihr. Ihr seid, so you are, okay? Then sie sind, okay? Then this sie is plural, yeah? This is the plural of the er, sie, es, and this sie is the formal, okay? It means when you are respecting someone. So it means also you, okay? But in this case, you are respecting the person. Either the person is stranger, or is an adult, or a professor, or a doctor, okay? Anybody that you don't know, or in a corporate ladder, he is higher than you. Then you refer him as Sie in German, okay? Which means you also. So Sie, sie sind. So bin is am, yeah? Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er, sie, es ist. He, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie, sind. They, you are, okay? And then haben is the same, okay? Is to have. So ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have. Er, sie, es hat. He, she, it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you have. And then sie are, sie haben. Then they are, you have, okay? Then werden means to become, will, okay? Ich werde, I will become. Du wirst, you will become. Er, sie, es wird. He, she, it will become. Wir werden, we will become. Ihr werdet, you will become, plural, yeah? Sie oder sie werden. So this sie is then the plural form, and then this sie is the formal form, werden. Huh? Then meaning they will become or you will become. Yeah, this is the formal one, okay? So this z is the formal, and this is the plural form of er, sie, es, okay? The small z is the plural form of er, sie, es. Yeah? And then we have gehen, yeah? So ich gehe, gehen means to go, yeah? Ich gehe, I go. Du gehst, you go. Er, sie, es geht. He, she, it goes. Wir gehen, we go. Ihr geht, you go, the plural form for, so this is du, meaning you, informal, okay? And this is the plural form of that. Ihr geht, and then sie gehen, yeah? They are, you go, okay? Then machen means to do, to make, yeah? Ich mache, I make. Du machst, you make. Er, sie, es macht. He, she, it makes. Wir machen, we make. Ihr macht, you make. Sie machen. They are, you make. Remember, this also means to do. So I do, you do, he, she, it does. We do, you do, they do, or you do, okay? Perfect. And then kommen, to come. Ich komme, du kommst. So ich komme, I come. Du kommst, you come. Er, sie, es kommt. He, she, it comes. Wir kommen, we come. Ihr kommt, you come. Sie kommen. They, you come. That was it, guys. If you watch this video till this point, you know now 85% of German basics, yeah? And you are basically on the road to pass German Goethe or telc exam. With a little bit of more preparation, you can do very well. Thank you very much, and we will see us in the next video.